Hello future doctors, welcome to Dipenism. We are discussing the tricky 3 MCQ for the NEET and AIIMS exam from the topic genetics. Now the first MCQ is, how many different types of gametes will be produced by a plant having genotype capital A, capital B, small b and capital C. Now in such a question we have to use the formula 2 raised to n, where n is the number of heterozygous alleles. So heterozygous allele is only this one. So there is only one pair of heterozygous allele. So here there will be 2 raised to 1. That is total number of gametes that is produced are only 2 types of gametes. So that is capital A, capital B, capital C and capital A, small b, capital C. 2 types of gametes are produced. If ऐसा और अलग type का question आएगा where it is suggested कैसा जीनोटाइप का सीक्वेंस है, then the number of heterozygous pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is homozygous. So there are 4 heterozygous pairs of alleles. So formula will be 2 raised to 4. That is 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16. So 16 types of gametes are possible. So we have to use the formula 2 raised to n when such type of questions comes, when how many types of gametes are asked. Moving to the next MCQ. In which mode of inheritance do you expect more maternal influence among the offsprings? So maternal या mother का influence जो होगा, that is mainly observed in cytoplasmic inheritance. The reason for that is the female gamete, that is the ovum, has in the cytoplasm presence of certain DNA. Now specifically it is present in 2 cell organelles, that is the mitochondrial DNA and the DNA present in the chloroplast. So these DNA are mainly transferred through the ovum, and ovum ka cytoplasm is contributing in the development of zygote. Since male gamete ka only nucleus use hoga, entire cytoplasmic inheritance is mainly because of the ovum's contribution. Hence we call it as the maternal influence in cytoplasmic inheritance. There are certain examples where cytoplasmic inheritance is observed, like kappa particles in paramecium, या plastid inheritance in mirabilis. So there are various such examples based on maternal influence. Moving to the next MCQ. In base sequence in DNA is from 5' to 3', adenine. Then what is the base sequence in mRNA? Now this concept, obviously DNA से mRNA का construction हो रहा है, that is based on transcription. You can watch my video on transcription where we have described in detail कि जो DNA का strand use होगा, that is 3' to 5' वाला direction वाला strand, which is known as the template strand. Whereas the strand which runs from 5' to 3' is known as the कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड, क्योंकि उसका कोड एग्जैक्टली मैच करता है विद द mRNA. सो डायरेक्टली ये 5' टू 3' वाला जो सीक्वेंस है वो सेम mRNA पे भी एग्जैक्टली ऑब्जर्व करने मिलेगा. एंड डायरेक्शन ऑन mRNA इज ऑलवेज 5' टू 3'. सो हियर इन दिस MCQ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, जहां पे 5' टू 3' देयर इज एडेनाइन का सीक्वेंस. सो देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ फाइंडिंग फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 3' टू 5' जो टेम्पलेट का होगा, फिर उससे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री mRNA बनाए. डायरेक्टली वी आर अवेयर कि कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड का जो सीक्वेंसेस रहेगा that is exactly matching with the mRNA का sequences. So these are the tricky 3 MCQ from genetics. Stay tuned for my further videos. That's all from Dipenism.